hey, the demolition's complete in our bathroom remodeling project, so let's go in and see what they got accomplished. So you can see everything is pretty much gone. Our soffit is gone with our lighting. Our cabinetry is removed. Our vinyl flooring was removed down to the subfloor. Our tub and shower unit is gone. Tiles off the wall, and the wall separating the tub and the toilet is removed. Now there's a vent pipe here that we're going to relocate into the back wall to open up this space between the toilet and this new 60 by 36 rock and resin shower pan. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be relocating the diverter from the back wall to the side wall, so when they open the shower door they can reach right in and turn the water on without getting wet. Now we're going to be putting luxury vinyl flooring on the floor to make a nice waterproof barrier. We're going to be adding a storage cabinet above the toilet for extra added storage, and then we're going to be doing a complete wall of cabinetry to include a tall linen cabinet, 80-inch countertop with a single rectangular bowl, plenty of drawer storage on either side, and a giant 60 by 45 mirror. So it'll light this room up, and we're going to include 6 LED hi-hats to brighten up the space. So follow along with us. The next step we're going to show you is the mechanicals.